I want to thank Montclair Proud for coming today. It's the ribbon cutting for a clinic that I've opened here off of 5050 San Bernardino Street to help the underserved and the veterans of our area. So I want you to understand, I came here in '87. Marshall Richter, a guy named Earl Gabriel, had started a little clinic over in City Hall, City Center. We had one room. I started working there, seeing patients once a week. Then we went to 3 times a week. Then we went full-time in 2000. I opened up a full-time day clinic, and then we just outgrew it. So as many of you know, veterans aren't really quite getting what they deserve as far as healthcare goes. So I'm making this a 15,000 square foot primary care clinic. I was able to take an older building that no one liked and we converted it. And I'm very, very pleased to be affiliated with Montclair. It's one of the greater cities in the area. It's just a little less known than some of the others, which isn't bad. So again, Montclair Proud has done me proud by coming here to get this interview today. And we're looking forward to them spreading the word so that we can have more patients come here. So I want to thank you guys for your time. Thanks.